pagtulog, ika'y panaginip ko. Panaginip ng katang dakilan nitong pag-iisip ko.
Hi guys, what's poppin'? I hope everyone had an amazing holiday season. To kick off this year, I wanted to give you guys a special video. Today, I'll be showing you, yes you, kahit hindi ka Pinoy, I will be showing you how to make 2 Pinoy recipes. Today, I'll be showing you how to make 2 Pinoy desserts. I shot this during Noche Buena, and I just wanted to say that ito po ang aming recipe. We might have used different ingredients or cooked a certain way, but in the end, we just wanted to make these recipes super easy for you to make at home. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm super excited for this year and all of the projects and content that I'll be pushing out pretty soon, so make sure you guys stick in for that. But yeah, let's go on to the recipe, shall we? Alright, what's up everyone? This is Ethan doing a voiceover for the very first time. Our first recipe is Buko salad, or Filipino fruit salad, and no, it's not Buko salad, it's Buko, which means coconut in Filipino. The main ingredients you'll need are first, obviously, frutas or fruits. You can put whatever fruit you want. For us, we use 2 cans of fruit cocktail and 1 can of peaches. But make sure you don't forget to add coconut. We use this, Hiniwa na Buko, or sliced coconut. And you can get this at your local Asian or Filipino store. For today, we didn't include these ingredients, but you can also add Nata de Coco, Kaong, queso, or mais to your fruit salad. You will also need table cream or all-purpose cream. We only use 1 can, as well as condensed or condensed milk, and we also use 1 can too, but you can add more of both for sweetness and taste. This isn't an ingredient, but you will also need a strainer. The first step is to drain all of your fruits. Usually canned fruits come in with their own juices, so you gotta dry them out before mixing them with the cream. Here's a tip. If you're adding other fruits, make sure you cut them down into bite-sized pieces so no one will like choke or something. Next step is to combine all fruits into one place, preferably a big bowl since a lot of mixing will occur in a few. Step 3, you can switch these last couple of steps, but now you can add your condensed milk. Next, add your table cream. Mix it all and boom! You have your fruit salad, man. Growing up, I did not like fruit salad, but honestly now, I will always take this over ice cream, no matter what. Recipe number 2, we will now be making Turon, or fried banana rolls. It's not Turon or turn on. It's Turon. This is actually a really sweet and filling snack or dessert. It's super delicious. The ingredients you will need will be these main 4. Saba bananas. These aren't like your regular bananas. They are much more smaller. Last time I checked, you can actually get these at Walmart. Next is lumpia wrappers or egg roll wrappers, pulang asukal or brown sugar, and langka or jackfruit. These bad boys are optional, but they're just a flavor enhancer. Step 1. Begin to slice each of your bananas down the middle. Each slice will be for 1 roll. Kids, if you're watching this, parang awa mo na bilang kuya mo. Para lang di ka pumunta sa ospital dahil sa mga daliri ninyo. Have your parents, or your kuya, or your ate, or your lolo, lola cut these for you. This isn't really a step, but at this point, I suggest you to put a good amount of brown sugar into a bowl and have it right next to you. We will coat each banana slice with the sugar. Next step is to unwrap and unravel these bad boys, the wrappers.
Oh my gosh, it's Megan Thee Stallion!
No, I'm just playing. This is probably the hardest part of the recipe for me. You will need to peel each wrapper individually. I've gotten used to it, but just so you know, at times, the wrappers can rip and crack, so a tip is just to go slow. Start off by peeling big groups of wrappers, then start going smaller and smaller and smaller. Afterward, put a generous amount of oil into a pan to fry each roll, then set your stove to medium heat so that the oil can heat up. While the oil is heating, start wrapping each roll. Get 1 slice of the banana and coat it in the sugar, then place it on top of your wrapper. If you have Langka or Jackfruit with you, go ahead and line it up with the banana. Then roll it up in the wrapper. A tip I learned from my mom is to have a platito or a small plate of water right beside you. And once you're done wrapping it up, coat the end of the wrapper with your finger with water so that it can hold together when you're fully enclosing it. Now when you feel like the oil is hot enough, place your rolls inside the pan and let it cook until they're golden brown. And there you have it, your turon. Make sure you save some for me as well. No, I'm just playing. You can eat it by itself, but I also heard that you can serve it with ice cream. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and got to learn a little bit about my culture. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to also follow my other platforms at TheEthanGonzales for updates. And until next time, peace.